Pray about it. Baka may iniisip ka ngayon. Maybe you have an important decision to make. And it's not just any decision, kasi it could be life-changing. You can be practical about it and think about the pros and cons. And you can also use your heart to sense how you feel about it. If gusto mo ba siya o hindi. But after all the analyzing, and after all the feeling, kailangan ipagdasal mo talaga. Kasi ang tanging tao na nakakakita ng future mo ay ang Diyos. Only God can see your future. And He loves you very much. Kaya ayaw niya na mali yung desisyon mo. If the decision that you will make will lead you to sin, definitely don't go there. But if you're confused about the decision kasi it's a decision between two good things, then pray really hard. Hanapin mo yung kapayapaan na ibibigay ng Diyos sa'yo. Kahit mahirap yung gagawin mo. Think not if it's the hard path, but think if it's important to you and your loved ones. Kasi wala naman talagang madali. Kailangan ng effort at kailangan ng sacrifice. Pero it's really good to move forward knowing that you prayed about it and that you have sought God's wisdom in making that decision.